What should a student take after completing his undergraduate? Should he go for a job or should he go for a postgraduate course or something like that? And what should he take to develop to get a good job?
The first skill every student has to develop is the spoken language and additional language like Hindi or any other related to business. Because right now it's globalized, right? So you cannot say I'm living in Chennai, I know only Tamil and I cannot operate, right? So the first skill you have to acquire as a student is language skills. Spoken English, spoken Hindi also is one of the skill, because right now it is nationalized and the working from home option is what the scenario for next 2 years, right? So if you don't know the language Hindi or English, it becomes more and more difficult to survive. So first thing is learning English and Hindi for sure. Spoken Hindi, spoken English, mail communications especially is what you have to try and understand. Because since you are working from home, all your meeting, all your file system, document, everything you will be exchanging in mails only, right? And you will be collaborating with a team which is globally present, right? So you might be joining in a company which is US based. So obviously the client and other people will be UK, US, Spain, multiple level of people, multi-religious people, multicultural people. Okay. If you have to work with them, language is very, very essential. That to high level of English language plus the local popular language Hindi, which is prominent with almost 50 crores of people in India, right? So only in South India we are used to this language, English language. But when you go to business in Hindi, I mean North India and all that, people immediately start Hindi. Okay, so they don't even bother English. Suddenly they start speaking Hindi where you don't even understand. So there should not be any problem that I don't know Hindi, so I'm leaving this job. Okay, so learning Hindi and English first thing. Second thing is uh, the entire communication part, proactive communication part is required, right? So when you communicate, you are giving a different aspects altogether. And when you are not communicating also, you are miscommunicating something. Okay, people will assume something when you are not communicating. So those kind of things you have to avoid, and then whatever is the current status, you have to proactively call and tell them this is the situation. That level of behavioral changes you have to brought in when you are going for a corporate job, right? And what was the other question? The related question?
So, like, what should a student take after undergraduate, sir? Should he work for, should he work or should he take a PG courses or anything? Should he, after finishing his undergraduate?
Okay, it is up to the level of their background. If they really want to do post graduation, it is well and good, because the situation and prediction says next 2 years it will be like that. Remote working job will be the new job, and a lot of customers and business is changing the entire scenario, the entire pattern of lifestyle. Okay, so next 2 years there will be no traditional things, right? Like a lot of industries will go down, so no point in waiting for something, and then there is no point, like the things will not go back to the original situation. It will not go back, right? The entire thing is we are going to a transition period where we have to learn new things, new skills, new lifestyle, all that. For that, whatever is required is what we have to learn and adopt to it. First thing, post graduation, it is depending on your background, the investment, whatever background you have, you can go for that. The best option is learning the lot of skills which is required for a business, right? So skills, upskilling skills, everybody are doing right now. Whoever is doing current job, they are also doing a lot of certifications and skill development to enhance their skills to adopt to their current requirement. So if you have to compete with everybody, you have to develop a lot of skills, certifications, all that, especially ethical hacking, all that you have to learn by default. Because no, today there is a scenario, no scenario that you have, you can go and hand over your laptop in laptop store and they will troubleshoot. There is no option. right? So you have to troubleshoot your own machine. That is the level of requirement has come in. So ethical hacking, you have to learn website, how it is operating, HTML, Java, basics of a website, how it is operating, how to do Facebook campaigning, ad campaigning. These are simple things, and even you in YouTube you can learn all these things, right? And certification courses are available in Udemy for 400 rupees, 500 rupees, right? So these things you can learn as a basics and then go for it, so that people who are hiring you also will be confident that you will contribute no matter what, right? So these things will not be available with the other people. Like this combination, ethical hacking, website, knowledge of website and social media, this combination will not be there with everybody. Okay, one will be good at only a digital marketing, but certain people may not know ethical hacking. But once you go with all these skills which is required for remote working, they will like to hire you because you have the all combinations which you yourself can troubleshoot for everything, right? So that is the level of expectations right now.
Coming up next, how to spend time productively. As a MBA fresher, how can I get a high paid job? And should I follow my passion or listen to my parents?
Don't forget to share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.